Hello, I have an error code of Errp on my Mr. Steam shower head and no one mentions it in any of the lists of error codes.
Do you know the model of your Erp? Have you talked to a plumber yet?
Our plumber installed is unavailable for 2 weeks. The model is an Err Tempo RFMT-3-WH-SU I. Use this for my asthma. It's -16 here in Montana today, so I am desperate to get it fixed.
How long has this been going on with your Erp shower? What have you tried so far?
What is Erp? And this just started today. I use it daily.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, it's a new unit this year.
Please read carefully and reply. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Natalia Moderator.
Hello, I will try and assist you with your issue. Err P indicates an error while pairing. Reset the control and redo pairing. To pair Err Tempo, use a blunt object to press the button inside the transceiver adjacent to the LED. Hold the button for 5 seconds. When the transceiver is in pairing mode, the LED will turn blink blue for 2 minutes. While the transceiver LED is blinking, press and hold the user preset button on Err Tempo for 5 seconds until the display reads pair. The user preset button is the button on the upper left and looks like 2 people. Please let me know if you have further issues after trying the above procedure pairing your controller.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.